Introduction to Solar Power System Sizing.
It seems you need to ensure your household or business runs efficiently on solar energy. An accurately sized system meets your energy needs, avoids overspending, and delivers the savings you expect. In this guide, we'll walk through how to calculate what size solar system is right for you, from understanding usage to considering location.
Step 1. Assess your energy consumption.
Start by reviewing your electricity bills. Look for your average daily or monthly kilowatt hour or kWh usage. This number reflects the total energy your home or business consumes and directly determines the size of your future solar system. You might calculate an average over a year to account for seasonal changes and get a more accurate estimate.
Step 2. Consider your location and sunlight.
Your geographic location affects how much sunlight your solar panels will receive. The amount of available sunlight, often called peak sun hours, can significantly impact system size. Use local data to determine average peak sun hours per day, as solar panels produce more energy in sunnier regions and less in cloudy or northern areas.
Step 3. Calculate solar panel output needed.
Divide your daily energy usage by the average daily peak sun hours. This reveals the total solar panel output required, measured in kilowatts. For example, if you use 30 kilowatt hours daily and get 5 peak sun hours, you'll need a 6 kilowatt system. This calculation forms the foundation of most solar system sizing methods.
Step 4. Factor in system losses and efficiency.
No system is perfectly efficient. Electrical losses from inverters, wiring, shading, and panel orientation typically reduce the total output. Experts recommend increasing your calculated size by 10 to 20% to account for these real-world variables. This ensures your solar system will reliably deliver what you expect.
Step 5. Finalizing your system size.
Round up the result to choose a standard system size available from solar providers. Systems are often sold in sizes like 5, 6, or 10 kilowatts. Check if you need extra capacity for future needs, like electric vehicles or home expansions. Consulting with a professional installer can help refine these estimates and ensure the system meets your goals.